Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to work on the very exciting and impactful parts of Tailwind CSS, Tailwind's color. If you are going to design your background or text or the buttons or any kind of the text color, then Tailwind CSS colors gives you a very fast and scalable tool to make it faster. So let's go and do it in our command panel. Okay, so I'm going back to terminal and start my compiler so using npm run dev. If you don't know how can you use this, you can just go to my part 3 of Tailwind and you can take a look on the script.json. I mean the package.json, where I write a script for run this whole command using one single thing using npm run dev. Okay, so just close this. Now, moving to the next thing, the first question is comes in our mind is what are Tailwind color utilities? Tailwind CSS provides a huge set of color utility classes for text, backgrounds, borders, and more. And each color comes in different shades like the blue 100, blue 50. As you can see in this color plates, it comes with the red 50 to the 950. Okay, and what are color plates and shades? But before moving to the next thing, just take a sample of this color plates. Okay, so take a paragraph or otherwise paragraph with the text red 500 and this will be red text. So this is our text color. Now I'm going to take a background colors using div. So div bg blue 200 or 300. Okay, and this is will be p4. Okay, and this is for the blue background. Okay, save and refresh. As you can see, we have a background of blue background with the this text, and this I just choose a little padding. I can decrease this padding size to p2. I refresh. Now I'm also set the background, so I take input. This had my border. And don't worry about how can you choose these colors. I will explain it in later videos. And then border red 700. Okay, and also choose the placeholder red border input and refresh. As you can see, we have the red text, a background blue background. You can also change with the 500, and we have this input color with border. Okay, so this is the example of colors. Now second question is comes in our mind is what are color plates and their shades. So let me show you this example. Tailwind uses a plate system with different shades like the 50, 100, 200 up to 950. The lowest the number, the lightest the color, and this gives you the fine control over design. So it's mean that in a simple line I can say lightest color is start with, I mean the lowest number is defined the lightest color and the more number is defined darkest color, but it's have a series wise. Okay, so let's take a look with the color plate system. This is the color plates system example. Okay, I'm going to take example with a blue color, so I define with the bg blue 50. So it will be blue 50 and start with and just set the 500 and this 950 at here. Change that here the 500 and that will be 950. Save and refresh my page. As you can see, this had the lightest color of the background, is the medium color of the background, and this had the darkest color. Okay, I also applied text color in this background too. So this is text white. Okay, for the white and background, white and black, you don't need to define sets value. Okay, I just refresh this page. As you can see, Tailwind makes it easy to apply colors to text, background, borders just by adding the text dash. As you can see in this here, text dash. Okay, you also see in the first example text dash, bg dash, and their border and border dash. Okay, but here is the predefined classes of Tailwind CSS. But if you want to apply your code like your color code, you can also use your own code. But I will explain it in later videos when we are working on the configuration file of Tailwind. Till then, stay with me. Happy coding. Meet you soon in the next video. Thank you so much.